Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just to talk about the different updates that sometimes come with the Patch Tuesday updates. And of course, for a lot of people, there are, the Patch Tuesday updates, the cumulative update is there, and then there's going to be often attached to it a malicious removal tool update that often is paired with the Patch Tuesday updates. But keep in mind that the malicious removal tool update doesn't come directly with Patch Tuesday updates. It's a separate update. So it might come later in the day. So a lot of people have been asking today, I said, I only have, the cumulative update. Where's the malicious removal tool update? It can take up to 24 hours before it actually appears because it comes from a different Microsoft team that takes care of that tool. So they're not always matched together, but usually within the 24 hours of the Patch Tuesday security updates, it's there. Also, keep in mind, some of you might have an update that others don't. So some of you are saying, well, I got this update or that update, and it are all together, and they're not showing on your PC. Yeah, because it happens that an update can be very specific to a machine because of bugs, because of a machine update that needs to be there for HP or Acer machines or Dell or whatever. So sometimes it could be also an older update that didn't take time to pass. I know that some of you today might have had an update that was also released with the Windows updates that fixes for some Windows update problems that they might have had. So don't worry about that. Focus on the Patch Tuesday updates first. And if there's something else, even if it's not there at the time that you get the Patch Tuesday updates, at least, check it out. And that update will eventually come through for the, malicious removal tool and stuff like that. It can happen, okay? So don't worry about it. So in my case, for example, I had the Patch Tuesday updates. And I had this funky update 402.3057, which refers to, in some cases, to a very old update. But here we see it come back again. And it seemed that some people might actually see this update several times for some reason. And I don't know. It's some weird thing happening here. The important is, if they install right and they're there, just deal with it. The other thing also, and the update history, is to just remember that you also, so for example, definition updates for, the antivirus could be there. Driver updates might appear for some of you also at the same time, and other types of updates. So for example, I got my Windows malicious removal tool, software removal tool, much later. So at 1 p.m. Eastern is when the Patch Tuesday updates are received. But it was about 6 p.m., 5 hours later, that the Windows malicious software removal tool is there. So some of you are going to comment, well, all of that was there for me. Yeah, because if you got your updates later, then all of that showed up at the same time, which is normal. So, don't worry too much. The important thing is not to not see a specific update at a certain time. It's to see that they all went through, they all appeared at some point, and they all installed correctly. It's the only thing that you have to check. That's all. So it can happen, and don't worry about it. The important is to have the correct build numbers when we talk about the build numbers for the different updates of the different operating systems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.